welcome back to my channel. My name is Capri. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today is the infamous video that I've been trying to do for like 2 days now, but I'm ready. I think I'm ready. So I know y'all seen on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere about these hot chocolate bombs. So I tried it already once. If y'all hear something in the background, that's just Chloe. She don't know what she want to do. She can't sit down, she can't sit still. But anyways, I've already had my test run, so I know exactly what I need to do. So let's jump right into the video. So the things that you're gonna need are, of course, hot chocolate. I just got the packet kind. You can get the jar with the lid on it if you want to do that. But sis, this was $1 and this is what we was going for, okay? You want some mini marshmallows. You don't want the big marshmallows because it just may be too big for the hot chocolate bombs. I got some white chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate. And the white chocolate is Ghirardelli. It's the melting wafers. And this is just regular chocolate chips. And I'm just gonna follow the directions on the packages for that. And you're gonna need a couple bowls, some spoons. Now look, okay, so this is gonna be a little bit ghetto, but I couldn't find the molds anywhere. Like there's silicone molds you're supposed to use so that they pop right out. But look, I got a solution. I went to Michael's and they had these little clear ornaments and they're already divided into 2 halves. So put them together, you make one whole bomb. Now the only thing with this is that it's gonna be pretty big, so you're gonna need like a bigger mug like this. So these were $1, can't beat it. I also went to Dollar Tree and I got an ice mold. So you know, like the sphere ice that you can make in the freezer for like drinks and stuff. I'm gonna use that, but I'm only gonna use this side because this side has holes in it and that clearly won't work. So I'm gonna use this. So this will make 2 bombs. There's 4 molds here. Then you're gonna need like a pastry bag or a Ziploc bag to pipe the chocolate to make it all decorative and stuff. Girl, we got this, we got this. We're gonna try this again and boom, we're gonna see what we come out with. So I'm gonna follow the directions on the milk chocolate package. Let's see. Heat chocolate in a microwave safe container at medium power for 1.5 minutes. Stir until the bowl no longer feels warm. Continue heating in 15 to 30 second intervals. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this in the microwave, stopping every 30 seconds to stir it up to see what it's like. Put some in here. And what I found after like trial and error, I want to do like 2 layers of it so it's nice and thick, but I don't want it too thick where, you know, the milk won't melt the mold. So I'm gonna just put enough in there, like so. That's how much I got in there. And I'm gonna put it in the microwave and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my chocolate all nice and smooth. So what I want to do is, I think I'm going to use this for the small ones. I might just make one small one, but I want to put a whole tablespoon into the mold. So I'm going to just do, I might, no, I don't have enough. I'm going to put a whole tablespoon. And then what you want to do is kind of like spread it into the mold make sure it reaches all the way to the top of the mold, because you have to put the two halves together. I think I put too much in this one. If you have too much, just scoop it out and keep it moving. But you don't want to put too much that is like a pool of chocolate at the bottom of it. Okay, so that's one. So you're gonna have chocolate all around like that. What you wanna do is go ahead and sit this in the freezer for about 10 minutes and yeah, be right back. So while that's in the freezer setting, I'm gonna go ahead and melt my white chocolate wafers. I'm gonna use some of the white chocolate to drizzle over the smaller chocolate ones. So I'm gonna get that going. Y'all don't have to watch this, whatever. I'll be back in a second. Alright, so I'm gonna get the second layer of the milk chocolate going. And after I freeze it this time, this should be done. I just want to make sure it's thick enough to come out of the mold, you know? Or else it'll get stuck. So in the meantime, I'm prepare my white chocolate. I already got it in the plastic baggie. This is the hood way of getting a piping bag. We don't need some, I know, expensive piping bags. As long as you got a Ziploc bag, you're good. So I got that already in there. So when it's time for those to come out, I'm gonna just go ahead, snip the tip, and just drizzle over them like so. Okay, so it's time to take the chocolate ones out. Lord, please work for me. So last time I just kind of, you know how you get ice out of the ice tray? I did that and they kind of just popped out. So hopefully that works the same for me this time. Just kind of squiggle it. Yeah, it's kind of working. But this would be much easier if you did have the silicone molds, but they just sold out everywhere. Like even on Amazon, they were like, January is the soonest it'll be in stock and everything, and I don't have time for that. So yeah, that's one, and there's two, period, okay? So this is what it's gonna look like when it comes out, just two halves. So you wanna take a plate, a microwave safe plate, put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds, let it get warm so you can kind of melt the edges and fuse them together. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And you want to get your hot chocolate and marshmallows ready. Okay. And for the smaller ones, I recommend just like a half a pack. I'll just put a few marshmallows in. So when you break the bomb, marshmallows will be already in the mug. Like I said, you want to take the plate and you want to kind of melt the edges of one so that it'll melt on top of the other one. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's melting. You just take this, cap it off like so. And if you really want, you can take like some hot water with your spoon and dip the spoon in the hot water and use the back of the spoon to go around the edges to kind of seal it together, which is what I think I'm about to do. Okay, so I have my spoon and I'm just gonna kind of go around it and melt those edges together so that it closes, because you don't want any part of this open because the hot chocolate will spill out. Especially if you're giving this as a gift. You can wrap this in like some cellophane paper or something. Wrap a bow around it. It'd be really, really cute, you know. You can fill it with peanut butter Whatever you want to fill it with. You can put like some peppermint, crush some peppermint sticks up or something like that, some candy canes. That might be a little tasty, you know, a little chocolate mint flavor. Okay, so I think I got this all done. Okay, so I'm gonna take the bag with the white chocolate on it and I'm gonna just snip that off on the end and just drizzle that and get fancy. Be as artistic as you want to, or not, because clearly I just made a whole mess. It's okay, this side cute. We're gonna turn that around. Y'all see that? Cute, right? It don't have to be perfect. Just however you want to do it.